Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ROKU, Roku. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, not to state the obvious, but crazy movement today, crazy volume. Earnings was yesterday on Wednesday after hours. So today was the first official day being opened with earnings. And an eventful day, but a very interesting pattern now taking shape and potentially in play going into Friday. And this is, let me take a step back. What I'm about to talk about here is not, I don't want it to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part and nobody else has noticed this. Actually, quite the opposite. I assure you people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of this and are going to be watching and wondering the same thing. And I bring all that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same area and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's what we have down here at basically 116. And the possibility from a trading perspective and the setup is what would be known as a double bottom pattern, meaning that the price has already been down there once and got the nice bounce. It has since rolled back over and it's not quite there, but it's definitely within striking distance. So the question becomes, is this price going to head down to $1, 116? And if it does go down there, can it work its way back upwards? Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price has once bounced from $1 or 116 before does not mean that it is for sure guaranteed to bounce again. Now, is it at least a logical, rational thought to have? Absolutely. Case in point, let's just say that the price has never bounced off 116, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like the price can bounce off 116. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? It's never bounced off there before. What makes you think it's going to bounce off there now? But in this situation, it actually has. So again, is that a guarantee to happen? No. Is it at least a valid and rational thought to have that it could happen? Absolutely. So keep a close eye on 116. If the price cannot hold above 116, though, that's where things, could potentially get that much rougher as the next overall level of support, not until essentially down there around the 112.50 mark. So 116, 112.50, next couple of key battlegrounds going forward from the support side of things. So we'll see what happens with it and if the price can get any sort of bounce or not. But like I said, a whole lot of eyeballs going to be watching that 116 mark, including mine. So let's see how this one closes out the week. Real quick before you go, I'm not going to give you some fancy sales pitch. All I'll say is that if you found this video helpful, then I'm very confident you would find this live class that I'll be hosting here quite beneficial also. So if you're interested in learning more and potentially attending, just go to claytrader.com/live or see the link down in the description area. It's totally free and it is genuinely live. So there's a question and answers at the end. It's very interactive. So if you have any questions, let me know. If not, I hope to see you there.